guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I want to talk about seedlings versus seeds. When do you start with a seedling and when do you start from seeds? So, first, let's talk about seeds. When you're starting to grow your plants from seeds, the first thing that you need to know is what is the right time to plant the seeds. Because some seeds may grow better in fall, some may grow better in spring. So, you need to know the timing of planting the seeds according to your local weather. Then, once the seeds germinate, you need to know how to take care of them. So, they need just the right amount of water and just the right amount of light. If you give them too much sunlight, they may scorch, or if you don't give them any sunlight, they may become leggy. The same thing is with water. So, a little bit of expertise is required, at least for the first few weeks when you are growing your plant from seeds. On the other hand, for seedlings, you go to the nursery, you select the most beautiful plant, the healthiest and the strongest plant, you bring it home and you plant it in your garden and you're done. Because the plant is already strong, you don't have to take care of it as much as when you grow the plant from the seeds. So it is instant gratification. You went to the nursery, got the plant, you planted it, and instantly you see something growing in your garden. While with seeds, you have to wait for a few weeks for it to germinate and then take care of them for a few weeks so that they grow to this size. So now you may say that, it's a no brainer. Why would you want to start from the seeds? Why not always start from the seedlings? Yeah, sure. But like everything in life, there are pros and cons of starting from seeds or from seedlings. So the first thing is the expertise. If you are a beginner, you are just starting to get into gardening, you have never taken care of the plants, I would suggest that you start from the seedlings. You go out to the nursery and get the seedlings, plant them in your garden, take care of them, till they produce fruits or vegetables or flowers or whatever. And once you get the hang of it in a few seasons, you will be ready to start with the seeds, because their seeds require a little bit of expertise. So if you are a beginner, I won't recommend that you start from seeds the very first time. The second factor is cost. The cost of this one seedling will be more or kind of same as the cost of this seed packet, which will have probably 20 to 30 or 50 seeds. And even if half of them grew, you will have many more plants in the same cost than this one plant. So if you wanted to plant, just one or two plants, in your balcony or on the front door, then, it doesn't matter. You could go out and get two, three seedlings. But if you were planning to plant a lot of plants, then, expense wise, you are better off starting from seeds. The third thing is that, some of the plants, they just don't like to be transplanted. So mostly vines, if we talk about beans or gourds or even okra, they don't like to be transplanted. They like to be planted where you want to grow them. So if you go out and get the seedling and you transplant it, they'll do okay, but they'll not be the best. Instead, if you just plant the seeds wherever you want to grow them, they'll grow better. So that is another factor, that if you are trying to grow one of those plants, you are better off starting with seeds. And things like beans and gourds, they're really easy to grow. So you are better off just using the seeds. The fourth thing is that some of the plants, it doesn't make sense to start them from seedling at all. For example, if you take cabbage or cauliflower, you'll get one seedling and you'll take care of it for 2 months and you'll get one cabbage head or one cauliflower head. Now, if you go out in the market and try to buy this cabbage or cauliflower, probably it will cost you less than this plant that you got from the nursery. So then economically, it doesn't make sense. Why would you buy the seedling which costed you more than the cauliflower head or the cabbage head? So in those cases, you are better off economically. You are better off if you start from the seeds. And last but not the least, it depends on you what you like, because sometimes if you have to make pasta, some people will make the pasta from the flour, they'll make the sauce from the tomatoes or whatever, and then put together the pasta dish. And some people will buy the sauce, they'll buy the pasta and just mix them up, and pasta dish is ready. So depending on what you like, so that is up to you. So I hope this clarifies most of your questions. There are basically 5 factors to consider. Number 1 is expertise. Number 2 is cost. Number 3 is what kind of plant you're planting. Do they like transplant or not? Number 4, does it make sense economically? And number 5, what you like. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.